Gading.
Di na kayo layo no? Sakto ra no? Nindo trawods? Pero no?
Dili malayo.
Dili gani. Nasa bitin na
Farm.
Ha? Bay, ibong wire. Di mo pagipaw nga sakyanan. Hindi siya sakyanan mo problema.
Gasa ka day. Tagam.
Dili, paabot mo.
What's up guys? Since I'm driving, I have to be very careful. So I'm just going to let you know that we're heading to Makara Wind Farm. I think on the website it says there are around 60 windmills, and I'm not sure how big they are. And all of us are excited, especially Christine Kaylee back here. Kaylee, yeah, we'll get blown away. Let's see what windmills are there. If we can see standard. What else? 3D. What else? Sharp. You know the standard electric fans in the Philippines. Standard 3D, sharp. Let's see if we can stop them by our tongue. Like that. Hey guys, so we're now here at the we're actually here already.
We're heading to the lookout.
We're heading to the lookout, and yes, we're officially already here in Makara Farm Windmill.
Wind Farm West Wind.
Makara Wind Farm.
West Wind.
West Wind. So the wind is in the west. Should be. And it looks really nice in person. Although they're not a person, they're a fan. The view is they're a fan. Not of mine, but of New Zealand. Woo! I do hope in this video I'll be able to give justice to the view. It's really nice, guys.
Hello!
Yung kani. Sige, tagbalik-balik. Kani. Kanya.
Pila ka ni ka-round silang sa puta ng gabi. 3, 2, 1, smile. Tingi ka kamay dire. Kaya. 3, 2, 1, smile.
Gabi.
Ha? 1, 2, 3.
Gusto pa din sa kadaugan. Parang mami.
Dili lagi. Sige. 1, 2, 3, smile. Yeah. Smile. 2, 1, smile.
Jeep, what do you think of the fan, Jeep? Pwede ba na siya matuyok or steady na siya?
Tingnan na lang siya, pwede siya number 3.
Number
1 pa man na siya. Okay na po, sakto.
1 ba na siya?
Fast fisherman day. Ano ba? Mon, nata dire. Ato kayo na. Layo kayo.
So we just literally had like a photo shoot. We really enjoyed the view. It's really nice. You guys can bring your friends and family here. To me, it's worth it, especially on a sunny day wherein you can see the windmills and the sea, mountains, the beach. It's quite a nice view. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it.
Free. For free.
Exactly, it is for free. That's right. Why did I miss that?
Yung gagawin na.
Ikaw na gano'n
Sabi bilang pangga. Happy birthday, Makara.
Okay, Pon.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Makara.
1, 2, 3.
Usaman.
Happy birthday! Birthday! Birthday!
Makara Wind Farm, Gapon.
Welcome to. Usaman, welcome to. Baka namin from Dicho.
Kataas sa katon.
Makara Wind Farm na tayo.
Sige.
1, 2, 3, go.
Makara Wind Farm!
Another one is so contradicting because it's so small. There's a chihuahua. Yeah.
Such a
he feels
good
like
boy.
he belongs. Let's take a picture of them. Oh, already one.
Jobs,
Thank you.
come back. Jobs,
Jobs, sing!
come here.
Come here.
Sit.
Happy birthday!
Jobs, steal his wallet.
That's okay, no money.
It's really good job.
You're getting too excited. Sit.
Yeah.
So
Getting too excited.
Oh my God, such an obedient dog, man.
Can you get kayo away?
Yeah.